excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in 5th grade math we are talking about the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So I give you 5 plus 2 times 3 to the second power, and if you're like, I'm just going to go left and right, you're wrong. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Oh, like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you think I'm great, leave a comment. Go to the description of this video. There's a link to the notes, so you can download them, print them if you can, because it's nice to have them all in front of you. I'm going to do a bunch. You're going to do a bunch. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now, what is the order of operations? Well, the order of operations is also called PEMDAS. There's another word that you could use, but I'm not going to do that other word, PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Order of operations tells us which math steps to do first. When a problem has more than one operation, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or parentheses, you have to do a specific order. Now, what's that order? I guess we'll find out. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. But if we do them in the wrong order, we'll get the wrong answer. So if you're thinking, let's add these first. They get 7, and then 7 plus, that's going to be 10, and then 10 to the second power is 100. If you think that that's the way to do it, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So what is the order? Well, we use a little acronym called PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So when you have a problem that you just saw, we actually don't go left to right. We don't add first. No. If you have parentheses, you're going to do everything inside the parentheses first. I don't have parentheses here, so I don't have to worry about that. Not here. Then you do exponents. Exponents, powers or squares next. So I do have exponents. So right here I have 3 to the second power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that 3 to the second power first. 3 to the second power is 3 times 3, which is 9. So we're going to drop that down. We're going to do the other stuff we haven't done yet. So I'm going to drop that down. 5 plus 2 times 9. We drop that down, and you do what you're supposed to do first. So we did our exponents. Now the next step is multiply, divide, left to right. You don't always multiply first. You don't always divide first. You go left to right. So what I see here is 5 plus 2 times 9. Do the 2 times 9 part first. 2 times 9 is 18. Then you drop down the 5 plus part. And that step is done. Once you do all of your multiplication and all of your division, then the last step is addition or subtraction left to right. All I have is 5 plus 18, so that's going to be 23, and then I'm done. And if you're like, PEMDAS, I'm not going to remember that. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I'm not losing my mind. Well, never mind. I kind of am. All right, so let's do it. Let me write out PEMDAS. That's a P, E, M, D, A, S, and go in order. Okay? Simplify. 3 plus 5 times 2. Go in order. Do everything inside the parentheses first. I don't have anything. Do any exponents. I don't have anything. Multiply or divide left to right. I do have a multiplication thing. So multiply or divide left to right, I'm going to do 5 times 2 first. 5 times 2, which is 10. And then you drop down the 3 plus part. Once you're done all of your multiplication and all of your division, then you do addition, subtraction left to right, and 3 plus 10 is 13. Okay? All right. Let me erase you so I can reuse you and do this next one. 12 divided by 4 plus 7. When you have more than one thing going on, look for your parentheses first. I don't got any. And then look for your exponents. I don't got any. Then you multiply, divide left to right. All right, well, starting from the left, I have 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then you drop down plus 7. Then, since I only have adding left, you add those. 3 plus 7 is 10. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Do everything inside the parentheses first. Okay? Well, inside this parentheses, I have 2 plus 3, which is 5. Ooh, I also have that parentheses. Inside that parentheses, I have 4 plus 1, which is 5. So I did everything inside the parentheses. Check. You're done. Drop down the multiplication symbol. Great. Exponents? Nope. Multiply, divide, left or right? Yep. 5 times 5 is 25. And that's it. I'm done. Okay. Let's erase. Get rid of that old mess. Now I have 3 times 2 plus 4 to the second power. Parentheses? Nope. Check. Exponents? Yep. I have 4 to the second power. 4 times 4 is 16, so I'm going to drop that down and make it a 16. Nothing else was touched yet, so 3 times 2 plus drops down. Now, exponents are done. I'm going to multiply, divide, left to right. Left to right, I have 3 times 2 right away. So 3 times 2 is 6. Drop down the plus 16, and I'm done multiplication and division. Now I have addition, subtraction next, and all I have to do is just add 6 plus 16, which is 22, the Taylor Swift special. And I'm done. And I'm done. All right. PEMDAS. Let me see. Parentheses, parentheses. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10. So inside parentheses again, 2 plus 3 is 5. And then that division sign drops down. Okay, so did I do the parentheses? Inside the parentheses, yes. Are there any exponents? No. Can I multiply or divide left to right? Yep. I could divide. 10 divided by 5 is 2. I've got nothing else to worry about, so I'm done. No adding, no subtracting, none of that, none of that. Let's get rid of you. Ugh, decimals, gross. All right, inside the parentheses, yeah, I've got 1.2 plus 2.8. So if you have to, go off to the side and do 1.2 plus 2.8. Nothing wrong with that. Make sure you line up the decimals. 2 plus 8 is 10, so make you a 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Drop down that decimal point. I get 4.0. You don't need 0.0, so the parentheses just becomes 4. So inside the parentheses is done. Drop down the times 3. And now no exponents to worry about. Multiplication, division, yep. 4 times 3 is 12. I get 12. I don't have to worry about adding and subtracting anymore. I'm done. All right, so I did a bunch. Now you're going to do a bunch. So do them on your own. Pause the video first. Do them on your own. And when you're ready, come back and check your work. Welcome back. All right. PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Anything inside the parentheses? Yep. 10 plus 5 is 15. Drop down, divided by 3. Exponents? Nope. Multiply or divide left to right? Yep. 15 divided by 3 is just 5. That's it. You're done. Nothing crazy. Now you, 2 parentheses. So 5 plus 3 inside that parentheses is 8. 2 plus 4 inside that parentheses is 6. Drop down the multiplication symbol. Parentheses are done. Exponents? Nope. Multiply, divide? Yep. So 8 times 6 is 48. Nothing to do after that. I'm done. I'm done. All right, PEMDAS. Six plus 2 times 3 to the second power. Any parentheses? No. Oh, there's an exponent right there, though. 3 to the second power is 3 times 3, which is 9. So drop that down. We didn't touch 6. We didn't touch plus. We didn't touch 2. We didn't touch times. Okay, so exponents done. So can we do multiplication and division? Yep. So 6 plus 2, no, don't do that yet. 2 times 9, do that first. 2 times 9 is 18. That leaves us with 6 plus 18. Then we add, subtract. So 6 plus 18 is 24. Now, we are done. And you got that ugly looking guy right there. All right. Parentheses first. So 3 times 4 is 12. Parentheses are done. Drop down 18 minus 12 plus 2. Do I have any exponents? No. Do I have any multiplication or division? No. We have addition, subtraction, left to right. Now, again, this does not mean add first. You go left to right. So we're going to do 18 minus 12 first. 18 minus 12 is 6. Drop down plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay? All right. Ugh. Decimals. This one's not going to be pleasant at all. That's all right. Write out PEMDAS. Write out PEMDAS. Parentheses, no. Exponents, no. Multiplication, division, left to right, yep. So you're going to do 2 times 4 first. That becomes 8. So you have 3.5 plus 8. When you add a decimal to a whole number, just do the whole numbers. 3 plus 8 is 11. And then attach the 0.5, so 11 and 5/10. That's our guy. That's our guy. Okay? Parentheses times subtraction. So do the parentheses first. 8 plus 2 becomes 10. Drop down that times 2. Drop down that minus 5. Now, any exponents? No. Any multiplication or division? Yep. We have 10 times 2. That becomes 20. Drop down the minus 5. Multiplication and division are done. Any adding or subtracting? Yep. 20 minus 5 is 15. There you have it. Your mom was scrolling on Facebook and came across this post. Is the person who replied correct, or are they wrong? So let's write it out. 50 plus 10 times 0 plus 7 plus 2. So let's do it before we even look at what the person said. So PEMDAS. Parentheses, no. Exponents, no. Multiplication, division, yep. Right here we have multiplication. 10 times 0 is 0. So let's drop down 50 plus, you became 0, plus 7 plus 2. Now we add or subtract left to right. 50 plus 0 is 50. So now we just drop down 7 and 2. 50 plus 7 is 57. 57 plus 2 is 59. So we got 59. They said 50. They went in order. They said do the 50 plus 10 first. No. They're not please excusing our dear Aunt Sally's, are they? They're not. So they said, you know, if my answer is right or wrong, but that's how my mind viewed the sequence. Oh, you viewed it wrong. We viewed it right. And we got it right. So, that's that. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Write out, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally 50 times. Just copy and paste it. Let me know that you're watching. Keep watching all of my videos. I really appreciate it. Let's get those subscription numbers going. Please hit subscribe. It goes a long way for me. But that's all I've got. Thanks for watching. Bye.